Okay, gang, I'm gonna do a series of shorts instead of taping and pausing. I've got my cable clamp in. Of course, the panel's exposed. I've got my 12-2. I'm gonna run a little service loop, they call it. If I have enough, just put a little slack in it. It's called I guess they call it a service loop. And I'm gonna run everything over here on this side. My breaker, my new breaker, everything's shut off except for this breaker right here, which is providing me light. And of course, the main is all live. So everything else is off. And I figured I'll cut this one off at the very end because I got my little light over here. So we're making progress. I'm feeling better about it, just going slow. That's why I'm just going to do a bunch of shorts. And I'll keep you in the loop, so to speak, right? Keep you in the loop. All right. Stay tuned. More to come.